Join me on a road trip from 𝙾𝙪𝙨 to Nazaré in Portugal. This is a beautiful coastline battered by the Atlantic Ocean. It's intense and just gorgeous.
We're on our way to the place that has the largest waves on the beach in the whole world.
As you drive or follow the excellent cycle paths down the coast, you'll see lots of really cute little villages. It's a great trip. In 2022, a chap called Sebastian conquered the new Guinness World Record category, the largest wave surfed. He won the Guinness World Records for surfing a wave in Nazaré that was over 26 meters high. This is like taking your board down a multi-story residential building. Here's the township of Nazaré, and we're going to follow the point around to the surf break. Our friend Daniel is a surf professional and he explained the finer details to us on the way through.
Okay, so what's special about the waves here?
It's like what's special is that they peak in a form of like a, let's say, Everest, right? They form instead of a long line, as you can see, they form these peaks like triangles. As you can see, that wave is about to break, and it will break only on a little part, on a little part of the wave, as you can see, right? Look. And then that allows you to go left or right, allows you to surf left or right, okay? Whereas in the rest of the coast, you see straight lines like that. Look.
So there you go, they're not just big, they're special in other ways.
Yeah, they're perfect, but they allow you to turn left or right.
These perfect waves attract surfing competitions and surfers from all over the world. But it's only recently that Nazaré has become famous. Before that, it was a sleepy fishing village, and surfers were not seen as the favorite people in town. Do you see the nutters sitting on top of the fort? We're going inside soon. It's a great place to watch the surf competitions and watch people practice. The day we went, there was only moderate surf. It was still beautiful, but not as tall as the waves can get here.
There's a cool surf history museum here, and we're going to have a look. Tickets cost €2, or you can get a €1 ticket if you're eligible for a student discount, that sort of thing. And there's fantastic information inside about the shelf and the conditions around the coastline here that create these huge waves, as well as beautiful surfboards, like bodyboards from famous surfers. And then you can come outside and there's a great terrace here where you can watch the waves and continue further into the museum. It's an old fort, of course, and a lighthouse. It's hard to film inside the fort, but it's very, very cool. And then you can go up these old stairs to the very top and get spectacular views right across the bay.
If you're interested in photography or videography, this is the place to be. People don't just come here from all over the world for the surf, they come here to be able to photograph it. Now we'll take you down and show you what the town of Nazaré is like on the quiet side of the point.
We were just up there behind me, you can see the cliffs, and looking around, the architecture here is so cute. And I'll turn it around now and you can see the beach itself.
The beach here looks inviting, but it is no joke. You can be sucked out by freak waves, and when you are in the water, there are really strong currents, but it's absolutely beautiful looking at the waves crashing against the cliffs. This is still a fishing village. That's not my thing, but I thought you might find it interesting. So thanks for joining me. I hope this gives you a bit of a feel for the area around those famous photos of huge surf waves. And I'm off to Turkey to meet up with Charlie and have an adventure. See you later.